I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not
interfere
me,
with a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her
duty. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay,
so
go away now.
Go away now.
No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me
that if you interfere,
I'm not talking to her. I'm not
in the
talking
lawful
to her.
execution of her duties.
Have you heard me talk?
There's no disruption to her duties, none at all. Turning a peaceful recording into a criminal act isn't poor training. It's a blatant attempt to evade accountability. Worse still, it comes from a sergeant, a figure expected to set the standard. Instead, he leverages his rank to bully a law-abiding filmer without a single legitimate reason.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I? Don't lie. You're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've
and
been
I
talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said you tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. So that's what you know what I'm doing. Okay? I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a deface the union flag. Well, get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want.
Police building.
I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement?
Pardon?
Am I on a public pavement? Am I on a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah? I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me.
You're on the public pavement.
I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it.
They try to paint the auditor as interfering with a female officer's duties, but the footage proves otherwise. His camera stays locked on the sergeant. Turning a simple calm recording into a supposed offense isn't accidental. It's a calculated move to sidestep scrutiny. Coming from a sergeant, it's downright embarrassing. Then they slap him with the label of security risk for filming officers entering and leaving, a claim that collapses under basic logic. Calmly, he points out he's on a public sidewalk, well within his rights to record. The kicker? The sergeant snaps that he's obstructing, even though it's the sergeant's own cruiser, doors flung wide, blocking the street. It'd be laughable if it weren't so alarming.
You're coming out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and criminal evidence.
No, you won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
Sir.
All right then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
as what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
it's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime?
When a sergeant threatens to seize the auditor's phone under the Evidence Act, he can't even name a crime. By law, officers can only confiscate property if they reasonably suspect it contains evidence of an actual offense. Filming from a public sidewalk, even in view of police, doesn't come close to meeting that standard. This isn't a misunderstanding. It's a clear abuse of authority. Waving policy like a weapon, he tries to intimidate the auditor into surrendering his device. But when pressed on what crime was committed, he has nothing, no theft, no assault, no offense at all. Without a specific charge, There's no lawful right to search or seize anyone's belongings.
If I believe,
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes. And
Yes,
I will take the evidence from you.
Why? Why?
the
What
Police
crime is it?
Evidence Act.
What crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
If you're saying
What do you
there is
want?
evidence of
What
that
do you
on
want?
your phone, then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy is
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the auditor reminds her that policy requires officers to announce when they're recording, she snaps back. That's policy, not law. But those guidelines aren't just suggestions. They shape professional conduct and protect public trust. Brushing them aside isn't a trivial slip. It undermines accountability and flirts with GDPR violations when a state agent records personal data without proper notice.
Step on your way. Move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah, I think so.
Called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing.
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body one's camera's on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Speak to me. Talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming personal cars coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his...
The officer alleged the auditor was filming the sergeant getting in and out of his vehicle, but in truth, the car had only just arrived. The auditor stayed on public pavement, fully within his legal right to record, while the sergeant made the choice to engage. By twisting a lawful act into a claim that the auditor was tracking the sergeant's movements, the officer manufactured suspicion to excuse further interference. The auditor was right to challenge that false narrative.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
You have
anything?
immediately
Did
started
I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
Addressing his team, the sergeant cites a terrorism act solely because his car's registration was filmed, a claim with zero legal basis. License plates in public view have no special protection, and no court has ever ruled that photographing them amounts to terrorist activity. Section 43 permit stops only when there's a genuine, articulable suspicion of terrorism. Simply feeling uneasy about a plate visible on the street falls far short of that threshold.
Your visit today here, sir.
She's wearing a defaced Union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented,
What's the purpose of
that
the visit
she
today?
shouldn't be wearing a defaced Union flag on her uniform. That muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? I'm asking you.
What's the
No.
purpose of your
So I can
visit?
call him a muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of
Yeah?
your visit
Can I
today?
call him a muppet? Can I call him a muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, I'm not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay? Off your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
It began when a sergeant falsely accused the auditor of getting in a female officer's way. The footage tells a different story. His camera never left the sergeant, and he never approached her. This bait-and-switch tactic is a classic way to dodge scrutiny, and it's especially troubling coming from someone who should set the standard. Next came the attempt to brand him a security risk for calmly filming officers coming and going. The auditor reminded them he was on a public sidewalk, exactly where the law says anyone can record. Meanwhile, the sergeant's own cruiser sat half in the street, doors wide open, blocking traffic. Obstructing what, exactly? Then came the threat to confiscate his phone under PACE. When asked what crime had been committed, the sergeant had no answer. PACE only permits seizure when there is reasonable suspicion of a specific offense. Lawful recording doesn't qualify. Waving legal jargon like a weapon, he tried to intimidate the auditor into compliance. Without an actual charge, there was no authority to search or seize his device. When the auditor pointed out that policy requires officers to announce when they're recording, the female constable shot back, "That's policy, not law." But those guidelines exist for a reason, to protect public trust and ensure GDPR compliance. State agents must notify people when collecting personal data. Ignoring that standard undermines transparency and edges into legal risk. To make matters worse, the officer misled her colleagues, claiming the auditor filmed the sergeant stepping in and out of his vehicle, when in reality, the car had only just arrived. This distortion turned a lawful act into something suspicious, justifying more interference. The sergeant's finale was to invoke the Terrorism Act simply because his license plate appeared on camera, a claim with no legal basis. Section 43 only applies where there's a genuine suspicion of terrorist activity, not mere discomfort over a plate visible in public. Finally, facing contradiction after contradiction, the sergeant retreated to his car and drove off. His aggressive approach, disregard for policy, and misuse of the law weren't just unprofessional, they were a failure of leadership and a clear attack on public rights. When officers treat lawful recording as a crime, they don't just target an individual, they damage the credibility of the entire force.